Unified engineering provides mechanical, structural and environmental services in engineering, design, fabrication, testing, installation and repairs. By combining engineering and manufacturing, we can identify challenges early and communicate effectively to provide collaborative, seamless engineered solutions. Engineering services include concept design of structural systems and tooling, machine design and upgrades, finite element analysis, process piping and pressure vessel design and analysis. Shop services include certified welding, bending, machining, rolling, load testing, non-destructive evaluation, and on-site repairs. For full integration, from design through to turnkey installation, turn Ingenuity into practice at Unified Engineering.